Good morning, my beautiful people. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I haven't got a bit of sleep. I'm fixing to head to class. I figure that if I can get to class and sleep in the Jeep, that I'll wake up, or someone will wake me up. I know my electrical instructor gets there at 6, and I usually get there at 6. Oh no, about 7 actually. He gets there at 7. I usually get there at 7. I'll wake up at 6 normally and make it there on time. About 7. Class starts at 8. But today I'm gonna be early because I haven't slept at all. Maybe gonna, take a nap when I get there. Really early. Dark outside. Can't see my face because the light's behind me, but get a good start up. Turn that off. I'm to the class. Alright, I don't know how well you can see that, but at 3/4 of a tank, I got it set to 0. We'll see what it's at when I get to class.
Gold hidden deep in the ground. God, there's a hangman that wants to come round. How we rise when we're born, like the ravens in the corn, on their wings, on our knees, crawling careless from the sea. God, give us love in the time that we have. God, give us love in the time that we have.
Made it to class. It's 5 in the morning. Not that bad of a drive. Didn't quite use 1/8 of a tank, but almost. Yeah, we'll call it 1/8. So it's about 5:20 now. Was up under the hood. Trying to see if my the wires to my radio were not connected to the battery very well, but I think it's the switch. Not sure. I got in it today or yesterday actually, and I kicked the shit out of the switches. I've got two, one for my electric fan, you might be able to hear it, and then another one for my radio, and that one's not working. When I got in, I kicked it pretty hard on accident, and it was shooting sparks out of the switch for the fan, so I rewired that and got it fixed. But the radio's not working. So while I was tightening it, I touched my ratchet to a piece of metal, and it shot sparks like 10 feet out. Scared the piss out of me. So I'm gonna try and take a nap now and see what time I wake up. Well, it's 8:44. I woke up in time. A friend of mine woke me up. The exams were pretty easy for math. That's what exam I had today, was a math exam. It was 12 questions. Class starts at 8. He didn't get there until 8:15. Gave us the test at about 8:20, and I was done in 25 minutes. I mean, It was way too easy. Probably gonna jinx myself by saying that, and I'm probably gonna bomb it, but all in all, I got a B right now in that class. I just need to get it done so I can go on to the next one. Peace.
Us farther from home. All these men that you made, how we wither in the shade of your trees. On your wings we are carried to the sea. God, give us love in the...
So, on my way to school and on my way back, I decided to not drive the speed limit. I was going to do 10 under. When this Jeep was built, it's got a little red line on the speedometer at 55 because that was, you know, the speed limit. It's a 1989. So, it's not meant to go 75 down the highway, which is Texas highway speed. And I take the highway every day to class. So I went 65, and I'm getting, you know, 60 miles to the gallon now. And I'm really happy about that compared to my 9 miles to the gallon when I'm trying to keep up to highway speed. So, pretty happy. So I'm gonna leave the glass pack on. Not gonna put the old muffler back on. I'm just gonna keep it there. This is 1980 Nissan 280Z. It's gonna be my project car coming up pretty soon. So I start getting a little more income and we get the title for it, I'll be able to start working on it. It needs all new tires. It's been sitting for about 3 years. Oil change, spark plugs. The wires are good. Needs a new gas tank, fuel pump, and I plan on just ripping all the interior out. Every little bit of it. So, that's 5-speed manual transmission. Got 70,000 miles on it. Ridiculous. My phone's on 9%, so I'm gonna let it charge. I'm gonna cut all my hair off and work out, take a shower, and then I'll tell you a little bit about myself, if you even care to hear that. Left the charger in the Jeep. That sucks. Screw it. I still haven't cut my hair. I still haven't worked out. As you can see, you know, I'm a double chin and, you know, my stomach. I don't really work out that often. I need to start losing weight. It's, you know, a problem when the doctor tells you to, or you're gonna die. So I mean, I'm gonna start trying to lose a little bit of weight. I'm just gonna do some simple sit-ups and push-ups in the morning, some jumping jacks. I've got an alarm set for 6:15 every morning during the week, Monday through Friday. It's at 6:15. It says, "Do some sit-ups, you fat fuck." So maybe that'll motivate me. I don't know. But I gotta eat something. I haven't eaten all day. It's 11 o'clock now. Usually I don't eat breakfast or lunch, but I'm starving. I haven't eaten since yesterday. This right here That's stew. But it's stew made with chili. My nan calls it soup. I call it man breakfast. I ended up cutting my hair and taking like a 3-hour nap. So, gotta go to work and make money. Bye. Well, today's gotta be one of the absolute longest days of my life. It feels like it's been 2 or 3 days, but it's still just Thursday. Fixing to head in to work. Catch y'all at about 10:30. Well, just got off work. It's 10:30. It's a good day at work. Pretty slow. I work at AutoZone. Yeah, time to head home. Cue the time lapse.
In the time that we have, God give us love in the time that we
Well, made it home. I know, that's loud, it's annoying. Made it home. Time to go edit this video. So, good night, my beautiful people. Shout out to my manager, Jason, for the pizza. Yeet!